What's up, guys? How are you guys doing? Okay, guys, so you're welcome back to today's video and you're welcome back to my channel. Okay, guys, if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can use okra plus other ingredients to get that bigger bag. For ladies, you know, this is actually very helpful. It's very effective. It's going to help you to deposit that fat at the right place, and you're literally going to get you're literally going to gain a little bit of fat. But of course, this is very healthy enough so that the fat does not go to the wrong place and be called bad fat. Well, no fat is bad, but because it is stored at the wrong place in which we don't want them to be, you know, that's why we actually call them bad fats. But those ones are going to be deposited at the right places. Okay, so if you want to know all of the ingredients, let me take you right into the video. But do not forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe and share, and let's go. So to get a bigger backside, we're going to be needing this, and this is okra. Okay, now the way I'm going to be showing you is actually the way you're going to be doing it for this ingredient to work. Okay, so what we're going to do now that I'm going to be washing it. And then we're going to be cutting it in pieces just like this. So for you to be able to cut it with ease, you would have to use a fresh and a soft okra for this. Now this is actually not only going to make your backside huge, is equally going to make you sweet and make that place very slippery. Okay, enough for the two persons to enjoy. Okay, so now we're gonna be cutting it. So after cutting it, you have to still cut it this way so that the sliminess would come out when you cut it in smaller pieces like this. Give me one more time. So after doing that, now we're going to be packing it into a cup. Okay, so you're not going to be using just a normal water for this. You're going to be using warm water. So here I have my warm water. You're going to be putting warm water into this. Alright, And then after putting it, you're going to stir it really well. You can see already the water is becoming slimy. So after doing that, the water at the down side is going to begin to change. Okay, it's going to begin to change. So this is how it looks like right now. Okay, so I'm going to be keeping that aside and show you another ingredient. Alright guys, still on it, for a bigger backside, you're still going to be needing banana. Okay, so I have here a very ripe banana. You have to use a very ripe banana. My banana is actually very ripe, and that's why it has a lot of black stains. Okay, so what we'll do is that banana is actually a great source for fats. Okay, so what we'll do is that we're going to be peeling our banana. I'm going to be cutting that, and then we're going to be putting it into a blender. And then also we're going to be needing some granules, some peanuts. Now you have to use fresh granules, fresh peanuts. This is called peanuts and this is called granules. Okay, you have to use a fresh one. Do not use the fried one, because to some people they react to fried granules or fried peanuts. So the fresh one is actually better using it for this. So what I'll do is that we're going to be washing it, but I'll remove the dirt. And then we're going to grab our blender, put it inside of the banana. We're going to pour in some good water, clean water, to blend this with. And then we're going to blend. Alright guys, so after blending it for about 20 seconds, it's ready, and I'm going to be turning it into a bowl, and it is ready. Okay, this is it. Okay, so this is actually going to help you to gain a whole lot of weight at your backside, and this also is going to help you to actually be slippery, be slimy, just like the okra is in your woman place, you know. So you should understand, because I'm not going to be spelling everything out loud. Okay, so this is the two, and you should go try this. You need this too for this ingredients. They are actually very good. Okay, you can't do without any of them. You have to take them. Now this is how you're going to be taking it. For this particular one, you can take it every morning and every evening, because it's actually very good if you want to gain weight. Now for this one, you can take it right before you want to, you know, do that is when you have to take it. And it's also great, you know, in making those ingredients work really, really well. So go try the two of them, and I'm sure you're going to be loving it. In here is just 2 ingredients, and in here is just 1 ingredient. Okay, this is amazing, and I love the 2 of them. So the okra part is going to help to make the place slippery, and the other one, the banana part, is going to make your backside, very, you need those 2 to be able to be a lady. Okay guys, so that's it. Don't mind me. I hope you understand all what I'm saying. Okay, so that's it. We have to speak in parables so that we could shoot our head. Yeah, I know you understand. Alright guys, so that's it. If you do love this video, don't forget to smash it, give it a like, subscribe, turn on that bell, and share it, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.